This event was brought together by the Learned Society Partnership on Antimicrobial Resistance. So that's a federation of lots of learned societies. But the idea of the event was to hold a true networking event, to invite colleagues from right across the UK to get together to discuss the issues of antimicrobial resistance. And in particular, for this networking event, they're trying to understand what it is about the environment that we live in and the way bugs evolve and the way bugs are transmitted. If we're to stem antimicrobial resistance, we really need to understand how antimicrobial resistance evolves and spreads. So we have people here from industry, we have people here from all of the Scottish universities and also actually from Newcastle University. And the idea is just to get the coalition of the willing, the people interested in this agenda, to come together, to listen to a couple of keynote talks, and we had fantastic talks from Julian Parkhill and Karis Maui, and then we had a breakout event where we would get together in smaller groups to discuss and choose actually what we thought were the key topics that needed to be addressed. And then those groups reported back to the central committee, as it were, and we were able to debate those issues as a group and come up with some conclusions. And this is particularly helpful for the research councils. So a whole series of notes were taken back so that the Learned Society Coalition can come to some conclusions about future policy. Well, I think it's a big honour to be asked to host this event, first of all. I think we were chosen, though, because we're very active in antimicrobial resistance research. We see it as a major future agenda. We're very active in the area in that we have a drug discovery unit that makes new drugs. And for example, we just created a new drug for malaria, and the reason why we did that is because of antimicrobial resistance to malaria. So we have a strong track record in antimicrobial resistance, and we're moving now more and more also into looking at gram-negative bacteria. These are the superbugs that are inherently quite resistant to antibiotics and becoming more and more resistant to antibiotics. And this is a real global need. This doesn't just affect people in the tropics, this affects absolutely everybody, including people in the UK, of course. So for all of these reasons, I think we were picked as a strong place to hold this event. The other aspect is that we're very interdisciplinary here as well, and we're trying to tackle antimicrobial resistance by getting colleagues together who are experts in photonics, in theoretical biophysics, and in biochemistry and microbiology, of course, and also in drug discovery, and trying to bring all of those different groups together to see how they can spark off each other and work together to effect new and innovative solutions. Because this is not an easy problem. If it was easy to make new antibiotics, we'd already have them. The truth is it's extremely difficult, and it's going to take some lateral sideways thinking to solve this problem. One of the best ways of doing that is to put smart people from different disciplines into the same room and get them talking. So that was another purpose of the whole networking event, and also one of the reasons why I think we here in Dundee are going to make a difference to this agenda.